Creating promotions and buzz using shortcodes. Shortcodes can be very useful creating specific pages or posts to promote your items. Here I will show you how to create a page to promote your new items in your store along with your featured items. To get started, we will need to create a new page. Go ahead and click Page, Add New. For this page, we will want to create a creative purpose so that the customer will stumble onto our page. Let's name this What's Buzzing. Next, we will need to add some text and then input our shortcodes. Let's go ahead and add new arrivals. This will be a general title. The benefit of using a general title and shortcodes is that the products will automatically update when you add more items down the road. This way the page will automatically update with fresh content automatically. Below our new arrivals, let's go ahead and add the shortcode, Recent Products. To do this, we're going to click the small purple Woo box on the top. Then click Recent Products. We will see a line of code that is entered. Let's go ahead and break down this line of code. The first strand of code, Recent Products per page 12, has the number 12. This is the number of products you want to display. You can change this to any number. However, be careful because if you choose an odd number with an even number of columns, it will not fill all of the columns. For example, I will input 8. This means that there will be 2 rows of products with 4 items, totaling 8. Here I created a graph which should help you understand it a little bit easier. Originally we had 12 products per page with 4 columns, like this. I have changed it to 8 products per page with 4 columns, as seen here. As I mentioned earlier, if you selected an odd number of products to display, let's say 11, and had an even number of columns, you would have an empty slot with a missing product. Going back to our line of code, we will see the Columns tab, which I just went over. And next is Order By, which we see Date. This means that it will display products by the most recent date added. You will also see Description, or DESC for short, which means it will display the description of the product. Below the shortcode, let's go ahead and add another text saying Our Featured Products This Month. Also, don't be concerned on the spacing as the empty space will be filled with products. If you actively change your store's featured products every week, you can use this as your title as well. Remember, this shortcode that we're using will display your featured products. Let's go ahead and click the purple Woo button, select Featured Products. And let's go ahead and change this amount to display the same as above with 8. Once you are done with your content, you can configure the page settings below, whether you want a full page, right sidebar, or left sidebar. You can also choose the parent menu if you would like it to display under the About Us page. Lastly, you can choose which template you would like to use. You can use the blog, the business, the full width, or image gallery, or an archives page. You can go ahead and click Publish and utilize this page throughout your store.